Hi students, good morning. Are you doing well? So already solution lesson completed. So electrochemistry also started. So thoroughly revise solution topic. After that you can start electrochemistry lesson. So in electrochemistry last class I explained galvanic cell or voltaic cell. So difference between galvanic and voltaic cell are already so many points given. In galvanic cell means electron type electrochemical cell. Yesterday given electrochemical cell and electrolytic cell. In electrochemical cell, electrical energy, so chemical energy, electrochemical cell, chemical energy converted into electrical energy. In electrolytic cell, electrical energy converted into chemical energy. So next point, in electrochemical cell containing two half cells, two same or different electrodes present in different electrolytes or same electrolytes. But in electrolytic cell containing only one single cell, one half cell. So one cell and containing same electrode in the same electrolyte solution. Here electrochemical cell, anode is negative, cathode is positive. But electrolytic cell, anode having positive, cathode having negative. Next point, in electrochemical cell, the cell reaction is spontaneous, but here non-spontaneous. And another point, in electrochemical cell, salt bridge can be required, but here salt bridge cannot be required. Here source of EMF, it requires EMF. In electrolytic cell, it requires EMF. And the last point, just a small correction. I wrote last point in electrochemical cell. Last point, listen, my dear students, listen. Last point, just a small correction. Yesterday I wrote reverse. In electrochemical cell, last point, the cell is spontaneous and reversible. Write down that point. The cell is spontaneous and reversible in electrochemical cell. Note this point, last point, just a small correction. Yesterday, just I wrote reverse point. Okay, last point once observe. Dear students, last point, electrochemical cell, small correction. So in electrochemical cell, last point, the cell is reversible and spontaneous. But electrolytic cell, irreversible and non-spontaneous. So that is last point. Once again, last point, in electrochemical cell, spontaneous and reversible, and electrolytic cell, non-spontaneous and irreversible. So these are difference of electrochemical cell and electrolytic cell. And EMF also explained. EMF of the cell equal to E cathode minus E anode or E RHS minus E LHS. Different points also yesterday given. Now today, important points. Electrode potential symbol capital E. Electrode potential definition. The potential difference developed between electrode and electrolyte is known as electrode potential. Definition is also very important, students. The potential difference developed between electrode and electrolyte is known as electrode potential. Right definition. The potential difference developed between the potential difference developed between electrode and electrolyte is called electrode potential. It is represented by It is represented by capital E. It is represented by capital E. So that is electrode potential. Electrode potential means the potential difference developed between electrode and electrolyte is called electrode potential. It is denoted by symbol E, capital E. So electrode potential. And another one is write down. The potential difference developed between electrode and electrolyte is called electrode potential. It is represented by symbol capital E. Next one is electrode potential. Next one is standard electrode potential. Next definition. Standard electrode potential. Standard condition, Standard condition means 25 degrees centigrade or room temperature, 298 Kelvin temperature, 1 atmosphere pressure. Standard conditions before last states of matter. Standard condition means 298 Kelvin temperature, that means room temperature 25 degrees centigrade, 1 atmosphere pressure. 298 Kelvin temperature, that means 25 degrees centigrade. Conditions are known as standard conditions. So standard electrode potential means the potential of an electrode measured at 25 degrees centigrade and 1 atmosphere pressure of its concentration, 1 unit activity, 1 molar is known as standard reduction potential. Standard electrode potential. That means the potential of an electrode. The potential of an electrode measured at 25 degrees centigrade and 1 atmosphere pressure and concentration is the potential of an electrode measured at 25 degrees centigrade and 1 atmosphere pressure. 1 atmosphere pressure, contact with 1 molar concentration. 1 molar concentration. But the 1 molar concentration, 1 unit activity. 1 molar concentration, 1 unit activity is known as standard electrode potential. Standard electrode potential. The potential of an electrode measured at 25 degrees centigrade and 1 atmosphere pressure and contact with 1 molar concentration, 1 unit activity is known as standard electrode potential. It is represented by symbol. It is represented by E0. So that is a electrode potential and standard electrode potential. Okay, so write down the definition also. Okay. Write down definition. Electrode potential and standard electrode potential. Generally, electrode potential depends on the five factors. Electrode potential depends on the five factors. Write down. First, nature of the metal or non-metal. First, electrode potential depends on the five factors. Electrode potential depends on the five factors. Write down. Dear students, write down these points. Electrode potential depends on the five factors. First one is nature of the metal or non-metal. Second, nature of the electrolyte. Nature of the electrolyte. Next, nature of the electrolytic solution. Nature of the electrolytic solution. Nature of the electrolytic solution. And the fourth one is temperature. Fourth one is temperature. Last one is number of electrons per atom. Number of electrons per atom. So, electrode potential depends on the five factors. Electrode potential depends on the five factors. First one is nature of the metal or non-metal. Second one is nature of the electrolyte. Concentration of the electrolyte. Concentration of the electrolyte. Third one is nature of the electrolytic solution. Nature of the electrolytic solution. Fourth one is temperature. Fourth one is temperature. Last one is number of electrons per atom. Number of electrons per atom. So these are electrode potential and standard electrode potential. Okay, next. Oxidation potential. Oxidation potential. Oxidation potential. Oxidation potential. Oxidation means losing of electron. The potential of an electron. The potential of an electrode to lose the electrons or to get oxidized is called oxidation potential. Oxidation potential means the potential of an electrode to lose electrons or to get oxidized is called oxidation potential. Oxidation potential means the potential of an electrode. The potential of an electrode to lose electrons or to get oxidized is called oxidation potential. Oxidation potential. Here, for example, M of solid, that means M of N plus N of electrons. So these are aqueous solution. For example, I am taking zinc. Zinc in solid state gives rise to Zn2 plus aqueous solution and 2 electron. That is an example of oxidation potential. Oxidation means losing of electrons, losing of electron oxidation, gaining of electron reduction, So the potential of an electrode to lose electrons or to get oxidized is called oxidation potential. So that means M means one type of element or metal. Metals are undergoes oxidation, we know. So okay, this metal. Okay, M of N plus N number of electrons are lost to N electron. So that is a oxidation potential. It is a reverse reduction potential. Next one is reduction potential. The potential of an electrode to gain electrons or to get reduced is called reduction potential. Next, reduction potential. So next one is reduction potential. So reduction potential means same definition. The potential of an electrode to gain electrons. Potential of an electrode to gain electrons or to get reduced is called reduction potential. So the potential of an electron to gain electrons or to get reduced is called reduction potential. For example, reduction potential means M of. Reduction potential means M of N plus in aqueous solution, gaining of electron, that means the equilibrium M, it is a solid state. So for example, now I am taking example Cu2 plus galvanic cell as I explained. The aqueous solution gaining of 2 electron usage to Cu solid. So that is a reduction potential. Reduction potential. The potential of an electrode to gain electrons or to get reduced is called reduction potential. Best example. Reduction means gaining of electron. Oxidation means losing of electron. So oxidation and reduction potential. Reduction potential. Next one is standard reduction potential. Standard reduction potential simply SRP. SRP full form standard reduction potential. These are very important electrochemical series. Standard reduction potential. The reduction potential of an electrode under standard conditions 25 degrees centigrade, 1 atmosphere pressure. The concentration is 1 molar solution. The concentration is 1 molar is known as standard reduction potential. It is represented by symbol SRP. Okay, that means the reduction potential of an electrode. Reduction potential of an electrode under standard conditions. Standard conditions. At 25 degrees centigrade, 298 Kelvin temperature and 1 atmosphere pressure and 1 molar concentration of solution. 1 molar concentration of solution is called standard reduction potential. Standard reduction potential. The potential of an electrode under standard conditions at 25 degrees centigrade temperature and 1 atmosphere pressure and 1 molar concentration of solution is called standard reduction potential. If any of cell standard reduction potential equal to minus of standard oxidation potential. If any of cell standard reduction potential equal to minus of standard oxidation potential. For example, if any of cell standard reduction potential equal to minus of standard oxidation potential. Standard reduction potential equal to minus of standard oxidation potential. For example, standard SRP, shortcut SRP value, standard reduction potential value of Zn, 2 plus aqueous ions and 2 electrons gives rise to Zn solid. Here value how much? Standard minus 0.76 volts. Standard reduction potential value of Zn2 plus is equal to minus 0.76. So here standard oxidation potential, equal to how much? Plus 0.76 volts. Plus 0.76 volts. Okay. Plus 0 oxidation potential means like that. Zn gives rise to Zn2 plus and 2 electrons. So that is a oxidation potential. If any of cell standard reduction potential equal to minus of standard oxidation potential. So these are different types of reduction potential and oxidation potentials. Okay. Next, write down. Okay, next. Electrochemical series important. Electrochemical series. But the metals are arranged in increasing order of their reduction potential values. The metals are arranged in increasing order of their standard reduction potential values is known as electrochemical series. So generally, the metals are arranged in increasing order of their standard reduction potential values is known as electrochemical series. So once again, the metals are arranged in increasing order of their standard reduction potential values is known as electrochemical series. In electrochemical series, now I am writing here. Once see. Here SRP values, metal. First lithium, cesium. I am giving main examples, not all. Lithium, cesium, rubidium, potassium, calcium, sodium, here values no need, they will give values. I am giving order. I am giving some metal ions and metals, not all, just clarity. Sodium, magnesium, aluminium, manganese, zinc, chromium, tin, lead, these are middle hydrogen. They are hydrogen. Hydrogen next. I am giving some elements, not all, but these are order important. Order important means lithium first, manganese next. Okay, these are list. Otherwise you write horizontal. I am giving order. Anyway, lithium first. Lithium first. Okay, I am taking lithium and aluminium. Simply you can concentrate order. Order means they will give two elements. Which one is first, which one is second. Like that, this type of information required from electrochemical series. Suppose lithium and zinc, which one is first? Lithium first, zinc next. Suppose magnesium and chromium, which one is first? Magnesium first, chromium next. Suppose aluminum and iron, which one is first? Aluminum first. That type of information required. So no need of these are order. Magnesium and aluminum, okay. So values also no need, they will give values. I am saying about that. Order important. Order means which one is first, which one is next. Which one is first, which one is next. That type of information for us required. Next one is, I am writing here. Okay, write down AgCl, Ag here. Next, mercury plus mercury, Ag plus Ag. They are enough. They are electrochemical series. Electrochemical series means the metals are arranged in increasing order of their standard reduction potential values is known as electrochemical series. Electrochemical series. So next point from the electrochemical series. So in electrochemical series, values they will give. Values they will give. Don't worry. Your concentrated elements, ions, order. No need of values. Values they will give. Don't worry. Generally, in electrochemical series, their electrochemical series is there. Suppose here hydrogen. Okay, so these are one type electrochemical, these are another type electrochemical series. In electrochemical series, hydrogen above metals, listen that point. In electrochemical series, hydrogen middle is there. Hydrogen above metals can displaces. In electrochemical series, hydrogen above metal can displaces. Below the metals, below the metal ions from their solution. From their solutions. For example, hydrogen above, magnesium is there. Hydrogen above, magnesium is there. Here down, HCl is there. Okay, 2HCl gives us to MgCl2 and H2. Or another example, here zinc is there. Here down copper is there, you know, copper sulfate gives us to ZnSO4 plus copper. Zinc is displaced by copper sulfate from copper. Copper from copper sulfate. So these are displacement. Anyway, in electrochemical series, above hydrogen metals displaces below metal ions from their salt solutions. So these are electrochemical series. And another important point, in electrochemical series, above metals undergoes oxidation, below metal undergoes reduction. Upper elements undergoes oxidation, so lower elements undergoes reduction. Upper elements undergoes oxidation and lower elements undergoes reduction. Upper elements undergoes oxidation and lower elements undergoes reduction. Anyway, these are low reduction potential values. These are high reduction potential values. Above hydrogen, low reduction potential values. These are high reduction potential values. Simply, upper elements having lower reduction potential values and upper, and another one is down, lower elements having higher reduction potential values. Now I am explaining some points. First point is high reduction potential value. Metal ions undergo reduction first on cathode. It is cathode electrode. It is cathode. It acts as cathode. It acts as cathode. We know high reduction potential value metal. High reduction potential metal ions undergo reduction. First on cathode, it acts as cathode electrode. And another one is low reduction potential metal. Low reduction potential metals undergo oxidation at anode. It acts as anode. So low reduction potential value means high negative value. It acts as anode. Here high negative value. High negative value means it undergoes oxidation, that is a anode. High negative value. These are more electropositive. These are more electropositive and more reactive nature. More reactive in nature. These are more electropositive and highly reactive in nature. Highly reactive in nature. So these are our second point. So generally, simply, upper elements are undergoes oxidation, lower elements are undergoes reduction. And another is in electrochemical series, already I explained. In electrochemical series, above elements can displace below elements. Above elements can displace below elements from their salt solutions, in the electrochemical series. That point also right. So in electrochemical series, above metals can displace below metals from their solutions. That is next point. Okay, write down second point completed. Next, third point. And third point is in electrochemical series, above metals can displace below metals. In electrochemical series, above metals can displace below metals from their solutions. In electrochemical series, above metals can displaces below metals from their solutions or salt solutions. Okay, so these are best example of, so these are electrochemical series concept. And another one is electrochemical series and useful and conclusion of electrochemical series. Useful and conclusion. My dear students, you concentrate order. Which one is first, which one is second, that type of. No need of values. They will give values compulsory. So useful and conclusion. Useful and conclusions. Generally, we know useful and conclusion means generally in electrochemical series, upper elements are upper metals undergoes oxidation, lower elements are undergoes reduction. Upper metals oxidation, lower metals are undergoes reduction. Here upper elements or upper metals undergoes oxidation and the lower metals undergoes reduction. Upper elements are strong reducing agents and the lower elements are elements in nothing but metals. Lower elements are strong oxidizing agents. Your issue, upper elements are upper metals. Okay. Anyone okay? Upper elements are upper metals are generally strong reducing agent. So these are strong oxidizing agents. Okay. And the third point, upper metals are strong reducing power and the lower elements are strong oxidizing power. So next point is upper elements are point number 3. Upper elements are strong reducing power and lower elements are elements is nothing but metals. Lower elements are strong oxidizing power. Simply, oxidizing power is directly proportional to reduction potential. Oxidizing power is directly proportional to reduction potential. Next, oxidizing power inversely proportional to oxidation potential. Oxidation potential. Oxidizing means we know in stoichiometry. Element undergoes oxidizing agent. Oxidizing means it undergoes reduction. That means oxidizing power is directly proportional to reduction potential. Oxidizing power is inversely proportional to oxidation potential. Like that. And another one is oxidizing power, reduction potential, oxidizing power, oxidation potential inversely. Reducing power is directly proportional to oxidation potential. Reducing power is directly proportional to oxidation power, and reducing power is inversely proportional to reduction potential. So these are electrochemical series. So some points. And the last point is in electrochemical series, hydrogen above metals displaces hydrogen gas from their acids. Hydrogen above metals can displaces hydrogen gas from their acids. From their acids or solutions. So these are different types of electrochemical series. So electrochemical series generally the elements or the metals are arranged in increasing order of their standard reduction potential values is known as electrochemical series. In electrochemical series, above metals are more negative value. More negative value means less standard reduction potential value. These are act as a anodic property, anode. In electrochemical series, lower elements are with respect to hydrogen. Lower elements are act as a it acts as a cathode because the SRP value is more. So more SRP value is reduction. That means it acts as a cathode. Lower reduction potential values are act as a anode. So these are electrochemical series. Generally, above elements are strong reducing agent. Strong reducing agent means highly reactive in nature and a more electropositive character. And below metals are strong oxidizing agent. So these are act as a anodic property. So these are oxidizing and reducing agent. Another is metals and reducing oxidizing power is directly proportional to reduction potential, inversely proportional to oxidation potential. Reducing power is directly proportional to oxidation potential. Reducing power is inversely proportional to reduction power. So these are different types of oxidizing and reducing electrochemical series. In electrochemical series, hydrogen above metals can displaces hydrogen gas from their dilute acids. So these are concepts. So in electrochemical series concepts. Okay. And the next class I will start standard hydrogen electrode or normal hydrogen electrode. Next Nernst equation also. Okay students, today very important concept I explained. Once complete the notes, once revise compulsory definitions and concept also. Okay, my dear students, thank you for all.